Some businesses print so much that a normal office copier simply can't keep up.
That's where production printers come in.
At Strategic Technology Partners of Texas, we've worked with Xerox products for 40 years. So we wanted to simplify the Xerox lineup and teach you how each of these machines is actually categorized. Production printers are designed for environments that print from somewhere between 50,000 up to 1 million pages a month.
They're commonly used for things like booklets, posters, marketing material, specialty media, direct mail pieces, and packaging.
Xerox splits production printers into two categories: light and heavy production.
Light production machines like the Xerox PrimeLink family offer office-style features with production-level printing capabilities.
They can still scan and copy documents while supporting a higher workload and specialty media.
Heavy production machines are built specifically for high-volume print environments.
These types of machines are always found in print shops and large production facilities.
Many of these systems also work with advanced software from companies like Fiery to help automate processes and improve printing efficiency.
And depending on the setup, businesses can add things like finishing options like booklet making or specialty media and get different ink and toners.
In the next video, we'll compare Xerox to other printer brands and explain what businesses should actually be looking for when comparing machines.